Now question of the day, find the domain of the given function. F of x is given under root 4 minus x plus 1 upon under root x square minus 1 upon under root x square minus 1. Then how can determine domain? Domain means for which value of x the whole function is defined. First of all, clear what is the domain? Domain means for which value of x the whole function. Whole function means this one and this one are also defined. Both. For which value of x the whole means this function and this function, both function are defined basically. So first we have focus on that one, after that one, after that we have use for which value of x this function and this function are satisfied. Okay, so first we have focus on that portion. 4 minus x is greater than equal to 0. First of all, that one defined only if 4 minus x is greater than equal to 0. So you can say that if multiply by minus, then we equality are changed. So you can say that x is less than equal to 4. So you can say that x from close interval, open interval minus infinity to 4 as close interval. Okay. After that, now denominator x square minus 1 is greater than 0. If this one is defined only if that portion x square minus 1 is greater than 0. So you can say that x minus 1 into x plus 1 is greater than 0. So there are two possibilities. If x is greater than 1, then that value 0, or x is less than 1, then that value is greater than 0. Okay, so what about domain of that one? So you can say that x defined from minus open interval minus infinity to minus 1 open interval, and here union open interval 1 to open interval infinity. Okay, and here, so after that using line curve method, so that one defined according to this if x is minus infinity to 4, that this one defined if my open interval minus infinity to open interval minus 1 to union 1 to infinity open interval 1 to open interval infinity, x is defined. Okay, so after that, look, make it like that, minus infinity to minus 1, minus infinity to minus 1, and here plus 1 to infinity, like that one. According to this one, minus infinity to 4. So common part of these two, that portion and that portion. So you can say that x from, it means for which value of x these two functions are defined, minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to close interval 4. Okay, so domain is like that one. I hope so clear.